we're gonna do food eating competition. For round 1, we're gonna have cheese puffs.
On your mark.
Okay, not yet. Open the cheese puffs up. Open them up. And we're gonna count down, and we're gonna scarf them down. I'm sure Kevin's gonna lose one of these rounds. We got candy, and that's kind of hard for him to eat with his braces. But let's see.
On your mark.
Probably gonna win this one.
Get set.
Wait.
Okay, so I think I won that round.
Okay, candy round now.
Yes,
Okay, we're gonna count down for Cameron. Count down this time. I don't know if he has braces. Hopefully, I win this. These are the one thing about Jelly Beans is they're sugar free, so they have laxatives in them.
Yeah.
Laxative effect. So hopefully, oh my gosh.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Done. Next round.
Okay, next round. Cameron's too fast. He's really fast here.
Don't click anything.
Next round.
Okay, so right now I have 2 points. He has none.
So obviously Cameron's gonna win, but let me see if I can beat him in one challenge. He does not like kombucha.
In our previous video,
I did not think he was gonna shove the whole bowl in his mouth. I have to be very honest here, though. I didn't think he was gonna shove all of them in his mouth at once. That was not what I thought was gonna happen.
Yes, in some of our previous videos,
I did almost catch up to that.
We have chugged kombucha before.
How'd you win? I didn't know you would. I said what?
He won.
I won, and we did also chug water.
He won. Oh, and then let's go back to the Lunchable one. He won. My favorite one was probably the kombucha. That was really good. So we're just gonna redo it with this video. Okay. We're gonna count down, obviously. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so he won all of them. He won the competition. Like all the competitions. Let's flash back to the one he won.
How'd you win? I didn't know you would. I said what?
Flashback to Lunchable. Lunchable. And flashback to Chug Times. He won all. Chug Times. He won all 3 of those.
Yes, I did. And now I've won this one. Okay.
So yeah. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos. If you like this, subscribe, like the video. Make sure our website we have upcoming events for more videos like this. All in the previous encounters, we don't do always do these.
We do movies and stuff like that.
We do movies, yeah, we will do movies for the first anniversary Make a channel we did last year, April 24th. I never thought we'd make it this far. I didn't think we'd get 500 subscribers. I thought we were going to give up on this channel. I didn't think we were going to continue to record 3 videos a week for a whole entire year. This is amazing. I like all these support that you gave us. We have 500 subscribers. That's amazing. I did not think we were going to get 500. We actually were going to give 10 ice cream buckets away to 10 subscribers. Make sure you subscribe and join the Smash Hit Crashers on our journey through another year. That's all. Remember, that's all right for you. Bye!